All right, so we got the Garvee 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner, and this is the unit itself. Check it out. Up here, you've got all of your controls on the top. And then if we go to the back, we're going to see here's where our cord is. We also have a plug that has to go in there. We got a plug here. Both of these are drain plugs. So you're going to have to periodically drain this thing. Now, when you first get it, you can't use it until it's been sitting upright for, they say 24 hours because of the coolant. Because sometimes when they're moving these things, they get, they get tilted on their side and stuff. But this one's been up for more than 24 hours. I had it in the garage. This is the filter right here. You can pull it off and clean it. It's not dirty, so we don't have to. It's very simple. One of the easier ones I've seen right there, right? And here's where our hose is going to go on. This is a single hose unit. Down here, this has a circuit breaker on it. And this kind of holds it in there. Let's pop that off. And that's it. And as you see, this one has wheels. Check it out. It spins. Makes it so darn easy to use. Now, when you're using this thing, you want to have a dedicated plug with nothing else in it. So we're going to pull all this stuff off of here. You'll follow me and just set it there for now. And I would use that plug for it. It's got to fit in this window. I have a screen so the critters can't get in. So we're going to try to set it up and use it right now. Shouldn't be too hard. You get 2 collars with this. Here is your user's manual. You may need that. And then here is your hose. This hose here, and that's your drain hose too if you want to try to drain it into a bucket or something. But it's pretty simple. I mean, there ain't that many pieces to it. These are the sleeves. I saved this because I like to store it with that. And those sleeves are going to go in here. I'm going to show you how that all works. Okay, so if you look here, you see that this slides, right? Right here is where we have to put our collar. And it's that one right down there. And we hook that on there, and then we hook our hose to it. But we got to fit it in the window first. So what I've done is, because I have these hurricane windows, and I've got a deep recess here, I had to cut a piece of wood to put in there so that this would work. So what I do is I put this in there like this, and then my sleeve would sit right on top of it. So now what I would do is just slide my sleeve in like this, and just kind of smush it out. And this one fits, believe it or not. Many times I get them and they don't. And that would just set on there like that. Really simple, right? Over here, this is pretty easy too. Let me show you. Here's where you put your one collar right here. So what I have to do is turn it this way. And I want this thing up because that's the thing that's going to catch in here. And what I would do is just slide it down these channels here. There's a number of them. Just like this. Got to get it in there. And then I just snap it up top. Just like that. To get it off, I do this opposite. Just like that. So you know to store it. But anyway, let's get it on there. Bam, that's done. Now this has to go into this little hole here. And to do that, I probably have to pull the sleeve out and put it in. But what I want to do is I want to put it this way. Because if I put it this way, I can do it either way, really. I really can, right? So, I mean, it just snaps on. Watch this. Oh, I think we're going to do it. Yeah, I think I can snap it on there. Hang on just a second. All right, so I think that I can go ahead and snap this on. You know what I mean? If I push it here, and I reach in, and I grab both sides, and squeeze it. Should just snap right on. Just like that. So this side I haven't got it. All right, what we're going to do is I'm going to pop it out. And to do that, I've got to get enough of an angle on it like this. So let me turn it over this way. All right, so now you can see here, right? So what I got to do is just get those on there. You see these little things? They got to kind of hook on there. Now they're on, right? That's good. Now we can just go in there, set her down, put our thing on top. That's holding it, right? Now we've got to get our thingamabob in there, right? Here, hang on, let me back it up a little. And we got to turn it clockwise to get it in. Clockwise to get it in. Well, we may have to do it like this. Encountering a little bit of difficulty. All right, we're going to pull this out. I'm going to get this thing on here. Okay, doesn't want to go in, does it? So I think I got to pull these out, right? So we're going to slide around until we get these out. And then we're going to try to slide it in like that. Yeah, that's the only way to do it. That's the only way to do it. Okay, I think I got it. All right. Now, I think I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this. So I gotta pull this up. I gotta get these collars on first before I can really do anything with it. Yeah, there we go. So you gotta get these up. Oh my gosh, what a pain in the boozes. All right, so, and I gotta turn it this way. So I think that if I could just get that one under there, and see if I can get it to slide up. I think it's working. I think we're working. I think I got it. Yeah, all right. All right, I think that's gonna work. Now I gotta get it on the back, on this thing. So what I gotta do is now, that was the hardest part of the whole thing, right? So now I gotta slide that down like I was showing you before. Let me see. Yeah, just like that. Now we're in. Now I gotta extend this so that we can get it to the window, right? We don't need much. We don't need much, really. So let's get up here. And I lost the sleeve while we were doing that. So I gotta put this back in. See what I'm doing? Sliding it in. Oh shit. Oh geez, oh me's. Geez, oh peas, oh. All right, we're bringing this up. Bringing this up. I'm going in again. All right, so if you look on here, it says in. So if I turn it this way, this should screw in. But I've got to catch it right on one of those little thingamabobs. So I'm just going to try it again. Here we go. It seems to be working. Oh, there we go. I got to keep going though. One more time. I want it in there good. I think we're good. I think that is now in there pretty good. So now I can come back in here and get a little bit more. And we're going to slide it right down in here. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Let's make sure that you've seen that. So this. All right. I'm sliding right down in there. Here. Going right down in. Just make sure you get it in. Those little sides. And then when you push it down, we snap it. We're good. Now, our sleeve is in. Right? Now all we got to do is get this in the window. Right? All right. So let me back up. Here we go. And this, for some reason, keeps slipping out. Let me turn it this way. Ah, there we go. Now I'm going to have to pull this up. And then I got to turn this on an angle to get it in there. But I need more hose. But I don't want to pull my hose out of the thing. Whoops. I didn't get it all the way. So I got to get it in. There we go. And then this side I got to get in too. There we go. All right, we're good. I think we're good, right? And then we just got to bring this down on top of it. So we did it. Look at that. But yeah, we're on. Now I could put some tape here and here, but this is, I'm just showing you guys how this works. All right, so now, so the first thing we got to do is plug it in. So we got to get it undone here, right? I just need enough to get to this socket over here, which I have. Plug it into the top, right there. Okay. All right, check it out. We're on. Okay. All right, so this is the on and off. That turns it on, right? All right, so we got modes. I'm on cool, but there is, you know, dry, just the fan. And I'm going to go to this. And then the timer will leave off the fan. Let's go strong. All right? And now we can do a little swing. So yeah, that's already doing it. And now we can get it. I just put it at 62. And bam, there it goes. We're rocking, Garvee style. So yeah, it wasn't too hard. I mean, the hardest part was getting these screwed into the collars. Everything else is simple, okay? So just remember too, after you've run it a while, you're gonna have to check and see if you need to drain it. And make sure that you put this drain plug in down here. See that drain? You gotta get it in there, right? So bam, you're done. You're looking good. Your Garvee's cranking. Yep. Feeling good. As you can see, look at my hair. It's blowing. It's blowing me hard. So yeah, that's the Garvee. Highly recommend getting one. Get them right here on Amazon. Easy to install. I mean, I kind of put it in there pretty fast. This one I don't have a remote for, but you know what? Do you really need one? Come on. It's 14,000 BTU. It's just what the doctor ordered, and it cranks. All the controls are on the top, and I would highly recommend this. It's blowing cold air.